Your iPad has a dedicated low power mode, which optimizes your iPad for longer battery life rather than maximum performance. To turn on low power mode, you can go to Settings, and on the left side, scroll down to Battery. You'll see some statistics about your battery usage, and below that you'll see a toggle for low power mode. Turning it on will change a variety of things. Your iPad will reduce processing speed, dim down the display, temporarily disable iCloud syncing, mail fetch, and similar background processes that can be pretty draining on your battery under heavy use. Low power mode turns off automatically when you charge your iPad to 80% battery or more, but you can also manually turn it off anytime you want. Usually your iPad will suggest turning it on when your battery charge falls low, but you can also turn it on even with a full battery if you know that you won't be able to charge in a while and want to maximize your battery life. Another quick way to turn on low power mode is through the control center. Swipe down from the top right corner and your control center will open. Mine doesn't have a button for low power mode here, which means I'll need to add it. First, we'll tap the plus icon on the top left corner, and then from the bottom, choose Add a Control. You'll see a list of available buttons, and you can tap the ones you want to add. You can then drag and reorganize the buttons or scale them up if you'd like to make some buttons bigger. And now I can quickly turn on low power mode directly through the control center without having to go to my settings. Nice and easy. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks all, I'll see you in the next video.